Hi, my name is Fikri. I'm a developer at Instant, and today I'm going to show you how to install Chime V5 from Microsoft Teams Store. First, you're going to open Microsoft Teams, and you'd want to navigate to Apps. Once you're on the Apps area, you can navigate to the search bar and search for Service Desk. On the search results, you can find Chime V5 right here. Click on it and click the Add button. This will open Chime V5 chat. On the left side of the navigation, you can try to right-click, click Pin, and that will pin Chime V5 on your left side navigation of Microsoft Teams. To use Chime V5 full feature, please register for an evaluation. Thank you.